PIC family of microcontrollers from Microchip have been one of the most popular microcontroller family ever produced. And although they're 8-bit PICs, they've been widely used because of their simplicity. If you ever worked with PIC microcontrollers, you know what I'm talking about. But if you always wanted to give it a go and you couldn't find the appropriate hardware or the coding seemed too complex for you, we have a perfect solution for that. We have developed MikroLab development kits for different boards and different architectures. Today I would like to show you MikroLab for PIC XL. It's a perfect solution for you because it has everything you need. It includes 2 development boards, the additional software, and all the other hardware that will help you with your prototyping and design. First, you will get PIC V7 development board. It's our top-selling development board. By default, it comes with PIC 18F45K22, but you can also work with another MCU because it has different dip sockets on the board. This board also includes mikroProg. It's a programmer and debugger on the board, so you don't need any external programmers to get this board working. We have also included mikrobus sockets. Those are the sockets that will help you work with clickboards. You can expand your design with more than 400 clickboards that we have made. For each port on this board, you can find additional buttons, LEDs, pin headers, and 3-state switches. This board can also be further expanded with displays. We have a socket for LCD and GLCD display with touch panel. There's also 7-sec display, buzzer, and sockets for temperature sensors. And you can even add some peripherals because we have connectors for RS-232 and USB UART. This board can be powered through USB cable or through external power supply. Next, we have Peakflow V7. It's another development board for high pin count MCUs from PIC microcontroller family. It has MCU card with PIC 18F87K22, but you can also switch to different MCU by using different MCU card. This board also comes with mikroProg programmer and debugger on the board. It has 3 mikrobus sockets to add clickboards to your design, and also you can use sockets for LCD and GLCD display. This board also has control for each port with adding different buttons, LEDs, pin headers, and 3-state switches. And you can also work with some peripherals by using connectors for RS-232, USB UART, and Ethernet. This development board can be powered through USB cable or through external power supply. To help you working with these development boards, in MikroLab we have also packed a software for you. So you will receive compiler, you can choose either C, Basic or Pascal, and you will receive Visual GLCD all for free. It's a graphical user interface supporting software that will help you make amazing designs on your GLCD. There's also a USB card that includes compiler and all the additional software that will help you to work with these development boards. We have also prepared additional hardware to help you with your prototyping and design. First, you will receive graphic LCD display with touch panel. You will also have character LCD 2x16. For your prototyping, we will help you with adding ProtoClick. Then you will have Smart Proto Board, Easy Proto Board, and Easy Test Board. We have also added some wires to help you with your prototyping. There's a plastic pen for touch panel, and there's a temperature sensor DS1820. In the box you will also find USB cables to help you power the board and some funware so you can have fun. Now there's no reason for you not to get involved. Check the link about MikroLab in our description box and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.